Did you know that some kittens have hiccups that sound like tiny jingling bells? Meet Bumblebean, the fluffy orange kitten with the most adorable hiccups. At first, Bumblebean finds her hiccups funny. They make everyone smile. But when Bumblebean gets invited to a fancy tea party, she worries her hiccups might be embarrassing. During a quiet moment at the party, Bumblebean accidentally hiccups. Everyone stops in surprise. Just when Bumblebean thinks she's ruined the party, the other kittens burst into laughter. Even the elegant Lady Pausington finds Bumblebean's hiccups delightful. Bumblebean realizes that what makes her different also makes her special. Her hiccups become the highlight of every gathering.